Good afternoon, class. Now today we start what are the various applications of machine learning. Okay, so let us see what are the different applications they are developed using the machine learning. So concerned to your departmental, that is electrical engineering, so I have found out some applications where the machine learning are very much used. For example, the machine learning is used in a grid integration and the power distribution. So what do you mean by the grid and the power distribution? I hope all of you know what do you mean by grid. So let us consider in the Maharashtra there are the 4 to 5 grid. We name it grid A, grid B, grid C and the grid D. So at some point of a particular time, let us see that grid B required the more power as compared to his daily routine. So what we have to do? We are sending the extra power, extra electricity from the A, B, C and E grid to the grid D. But how we can send this extra power from the one grid to another grid? And who will take that decision? So we are developed the one decision making system in which the decision will be taken by the machine based on the power consumption. So it is based on the power consumption, how much data, how much power is required in particular grid. The machine learning has taken decision and it sends the extra electric power to that particular grid. This is one example. Then machine learning is also used in an end user consumption pattern. So in end user consumption pattern, so a end user consumption pattern means you can see from the March to June, the MSCB board has sent electric bill that is based on your last year electric consumption pattern. So they take a decision because during this pandemic lockdown, the meter reading is not done manually. So how they will send the electric bill to the consumer? For that, they are used the machine learning concept in which they utilize the last 3 year consumption of your electricity, and based on that, they are find out some pattern. So on the basis of that pattern, they decide how much electric bill will be sent to that particular user. They also provide some facility if you send the photo from your phone, so they will generate the bill. But in villages or in some part of city also, the people are not send the photo of their meter reading. So how the MSCB send the electric bill? To resolve this problem, what they are used, they consider the last 3 year electric bill, consumption of electric bill for a particular user for that particular month. For example, the consumption of electricity bill in the month of March in 2017, 2018 and 2019. Same thing, the consumption of electric consumption by the user in the month of April 2017, 18 and 19. So they are take an average of these 3 months and send them a bill of that particular month, 2020. So April 2020 bill is based on your consumption in April 2017, April 2018 and April 2019. For that, they use the machine learning technique. The another use of machine learning is power quality analysis. It is also used in cyber security and load balancing. So load balancing is very crucial part while you generating the electricity. So when you generate the electricity, you have to load the electricity in that particular area. So using the machine learning, they can manage or they can control the load of the electricity. And also the machine learning is used in control and the feedback system. Some of the real life daily based use of machine learning are, it is used in healthcare, it is also used in text analysis. Some video games are also based on the machine learning, artificial intelligence, data mining, robotics, and image processing. These are the pattern, these are the methods to analyze the hidden pattern in a data. For example, the anomaly detection. So in networking, when someone is trying to enter into your authorized network, so this is nothing but the intrusion in your network. So to find out this anomaly detection, the machine learning has been used. Association rule. The association rule is basically used by e-commerce website, where they are used the association in a such way that the product selling will be increased. For example, let us consider you are purchasing the mic, you are purchasing the laptop, and when you purchase the laptop online on Amazon.com, so that website also gives you some recommendation that if you purchase the laptop, you should purchase a mouse, you can also purchase the screen guard, laptop bag, etc. So there is an association between the items. The another application of machine learning is grouping and the prediction. So what do you mean by the grouping? In the grouping, we are keeping a group of similar items. For example, in Amazon, you can see that the electrical gadgets are placed at the one place, kids section are another place. So they are making the group of different categories based on the similarity. And also one of the very popular application of machine learning is prediction. So prediction is nothing but weather prediction. You may heard that, weather prediction, rain prediction, cyclone prediction. So these are the applications developed by machine learning to predict the incident before they happen. And to give the prediction, accurate prediction, the machine learning requires the historical data. We will see in the next lecture how the historical data are useful for prediction. The another important or very popular applications of machine learning are video games. A lot of data need to consider the winner. The machine learning classifier will predict the result of match based on the data. So you may heard in a IPL or you may see in IPL that there is one prediction given by in every match that there are some chances to win the team CSK. 70% chances today that CSK will be win. So how they give this prediction? It is based on the historical data of that particular team performance, their player performance, their batsman performance, their bowler performance. So making a combination of good player, the machine learning algorithm give the prediction that who will be the win in today's match. So these are the some applications, and more detailed applications are sentiment analyzer, spam filter, and information extraction. So in your mail, you can, when you use the email, for example, Gmail or Yahoo or Reddit mail, so there is some chances to you get some spam mail. So to identify the spam mail from the regular mail is also done by the machine learning. Based on your sentiment, sending the message is also one of the applications of text analysis, and finding out the correct information from the large number of information available on internet is also one of the application of text analysis. In healthcare, a large number of startups are used the healthcare in AI. So various applications are available in healthcare based on the artificial intelligence. So in the next lecture, we will see a more example on machine learning. Today we start here. Thank you for attending the class. Thank you. Thank you very much.